ये लाइक दूसरी बार है पिछले 12 महीने में where the team has been out for less than 100. लाइक जब ऐसे एक बुरा दिन होता है तो बैटिंग यूनिट पर कितना डेंट करता है बैटिंग यूनिट को, उनका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है, और हाउ मच डज इट अफेक्ट यू?
I think it's a part and parcel of the game because every day, as a batting unit, you want to give your 100% each and every day, but sometimes it doesn't go well because in the morning the wicket was slightly softer side and they bowled in good areas. We could have applied much better, but you can learn from it and move on. That's the only thing you can do as a cricketer. You learn from your mistake and improve in next inning.
Yeah, you just said the wicket was a little softer, and Joe Root's reaction after losing the toss was, I'm not sure what I would have done. So, do you think in now hindsight that the batting in that first hour, which was very crucial, because after the lunch, looks like wicket dried up in sun, and batting looks very easy. So, do you think that the selecting batting was a little tricky decision?
I don't think so because whatever decision we take as a team. So once we have decided that we're gonna bat first, we're gonna back our decision and move on to that. Yes, we could have applied much better, but it's part and parcel of the game. As I said before, you learn from your mistake and move on. We can't be thinking too much about the toss.
Rishabh, has it been a bit of a concern over the past 8 or 10 months that whenever you are coming in to bat, most of the times there has been a top order collapse and there is a lot of pressure on you to perform. So every time someone can't perform, but is it being a pattern where probably there's a lot of pressure on you because 3, 4, 5 consistently are not performing?
See, as a cricketer, I don't think in that manner. Whatever the situation, as a cricketer, you have to put yourself first and then think about what you can do in that situation. Because if, as a cricketer, I'm going to think that sometimes the top order collapses and you get the opportunity. I say it as an opportunity because if you do well in that situation and build your team out of that situation, you're going to do wonders in your life. So as a cricketer, I see it as an opportunity and move on. Because if you're thinking too much about the pressure, because end of the day, everyone is thinking good for the team. That's the only thing which matters. So if you are thinking in that fashion, I think we're going to take everything on our chins.
Yeah. Hello, Rishabh. Virat seemed to be upset by something the crowd was saying whilst England were batting. Do you know what he was concerned by and what were your feelings out there whilst you were fielding?
I think somebody threw the ball inside on Siraj. So he was upset that, yes, you can say whatever you want to chant, but don't throw things on the fielders and all those things. It's not good for cricket, I guess.
Good evening, Rishabh.
Good evening.
So when you were batting, I remember you had a little conversation with the square leg umpire regarding where you were standing, or he had something to say to you. So firstly, what was that about, and did that force you to stay in your crease, considering you like to come out of the crease and play the seamers to tackle swing bowling?
Yeah, a little bit, because I was standing outside the crease and my front foot was coming into the danger area. So he told me that you can't stand there. So I have to change my stance. But as a cricketer, I don't have to think too much about that because it's everyone who's going to do that. Umpire is going to say the same thing. I didn't do that next ball and move on.
Thank you.
Rishabh, what do you think of your own form, batting at 6 in England against the Duke ball? Are you really comfortable?
Yes, I'm fine batting at 6. See, as a cricketer, there are two options. Once you can think of the team, second you can think about your personal performance. So the culture we have created here as a team, that everyone in the team has to think about the team, no matter what the personal performance is. So we are focusing on the team thing. So yes, personal individual things matter, but we don't focus on that too much as a Indian cricket team.
Yeah, hi Rishabh. We all know how India bounced back from the 36 all out, but how difficult is it to change the momentum on the same day? Like after getting bundled out for 78, how difficult is it to bring fresh confidence and energy into bowling and fielding? Do the earlier happenings keep playing in the minds?
Yeah, a little bit, but not much. But because they took the heavy roller, the wicket was much more settled down and they batted nicely also. But in the first inning when we batted, the wicket was slightly soft and they bowled in good area. But we could have applied much better. But as I said before, that we're gonna learn from our mistake and move on to the next inning.